In this short tutorial, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Sometimes, you might want to take a break from social media and could use some time off. Deactivating your Instagram account is a perfect solution that allows you to step back from the platform without losing your Instagram account. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to temporarily deactivate. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Account Center. And then scroll down a bit and tap Personal Details. And then tap where it says Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Tap and select your Instagram account. Make sure you've selected the Deactivate Account option, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap Continue. Type in your Instagram account password. Tap Continue. And then choose a reason why you are deactivating your account. I'm simply going to select, just need a break. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Continue. All you have to do next is tap on the Deactivate Account button to confirm account deactivation. You can reactivate your account at any time through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.